Rolex built the Submariner to define luxury diving, but Tudor built the Pelagos 39 to remind us what a real tool watch actually feels like on the wrist. Welcome back to Lux Pulse. Following our recent deep dive into travel watches, thousands of you joined the conversation, pushing our growth closer than ever to our 1,000 subscriber milestone. Today, we are diving straight into the most fiercely debated matchup in modern horology. On one side, we have the undisputed king of luxury status, the Rolex Submariner, no date. On the other side sits the ultimate stealth wealth contender, the Tudor Pelagos 39. Both watches share iconic dive watch architecture, 300 meters of water resistance, and flawless heritage. But they are designed around two completely opposing philosophies. Is the heavy, high-gloss icon worth double the money, or has Tudor quietly built a superior daily driver? The biggest difference between these two timepieces reveals itself the second you pick them up. The Rolex Sub is forged from traditional oyster steel. It feels substantial, heavy, and undeniably luxurious on the body. Its case features polished flanks, high-sheen white gold hour markers, and a jet-black glossy ceramic bezel insert that catches every beam of light. It is as much a status symbol as it is a diving instrument. The Tudor Pelagos 39 takes an entirely different path. It is constructed entirely from Grade II titanium. Titanium is 40% lighter than stainless steel, remarkably corrosion-resistant and naturally hypoallergenic. Tudor treats the entire watch with a satin-brushed finish, completely eliminating polished reflections. Coupled with a subtle sunray-brushed matte ceramic bezel insert, the Pelagos 39 flies completely under the radar. When it comes to real-world comfort, size matters. The modern Rolex Sub features a 41mm case diameter with an 11.9mm thickness. It wears flat and commanding, but its weight is constantly noticeable. The Tudor Pelagos 39 sits in the absolute sweet spot. With a 39mm diameter and a slim 11.8mm height, it anchors to the wrist effortlessly. Because titanium absorbs body heat quickly, the Pelagos 39 never feels ice-cold against your skin on chilly mornings. On the wrist, it feels virtually weightless, so light that after 5 minutes, you completely forget you're wearing a heavy-duty Swiss dive watch. A modern daily driver is only as good as its bracelet clasp, and both brands bring world-class hardware to the table. Rolex equips the Sub with their legendary Glide Lock extension system. It allows you to adjust the bracelet length in precise 2mm increments up to 20mm, offering smooth, rock-solid micro-adjustments. Tudor responds with their proprietary T-Fit rapid adjustment clasp. The T-Fit system offers 8mm of instant micro-adjustment on the fly without tools. Plus, Tudor includes a complimentary rubber strap right inside the box with every Pelagos 39, giving you two distinct looks for a single purchase price. Now, let's talk about the brutal reality of the numbers. A brand new Rolex Sub No Date carries an official UK retail price of £8,450. But due to boutique waitlists, secondary market prices still float around £11,000. The Tudor Pelagos 39 lands at a UK retail price of £4,410, and you can actually walk into a boutique and buy one. For less than half the secondary market cost of a Sub, the Pelagos 39 delivers 90% of the capability, superior lightweight ergonomics, an in-house caliber MT-5400 movement with a 70-hour power reserve, and complete immunity to boutique gatekeeping. If you want an unmistakable symbol of success, the Rolex Submariner remains an icon. But if you want the ultimate modern pure tool watch designed for daily life, the Tudor Pelagos 39 is the smarter buy. We are charging fast toward our 1,000 subscriber milestone here at Lux Pulse United Kingdom. If you love honest luxury watch breakdowns, smash that subscribe button right now to support the channel. Which would you choose? Are you taking the lightweight titanium Pelagos 39 or holding out for the steel sub? Let us know in the comments below, hit the like button, and we will see you in the next one.